Good evening. Today we will be studying about a physical quantity called work. Work is said to be done if on applying a force we can displace a body. The formula for work is you apply who does work? Force does work. So there should be a force and there should be a displacement. It is actually a dot product of F dot S. For class 10th, you should remember it is dot product or scalar product. And the formula is Fs cos theta, where theta is the angle between, if let's say this is force and this is displacement, this angle, the smaller angle between force and displacement is theta, then work done is Fs cos theta. Now this work done can be positive, this work done can be 0, or this work done can be negative. Now, when is the work done positive? When cos theta is positive, that means theta is acute or theta is 0 degree. Whenever the angle is less than 90 and or it can be 0 also. So 0 less than equal to theta less than 90 degree, then work done is positive. When is work done 0? That is either force applied is 0 or displacement is 0. That is you start from a point and after going through whole journey you come back to the initial point. Even then your work done will be 0 or your cos theta is 0. That means theta is 90 degree. Theta is 90 degree, then your work done will be 0. Force applied is 0, no force, no work. Or you come back to your original position, even then the work done will be 0. Or the angle between force and displacement is exactly 90, then your work done is 0. Negative is when cos theta is negative. That is your theta must be greater than 90, less than equal to 180 degree. That means when your theta is obtuse or it is 180 degree, then your work done is negative. So work done can be positive, just you have to look at the angle. Work done is negative, you look at the angle. But if work done is 0, then you should have either displacement 0, force 0, or the angle should be 90. The examples of the various work dones, I will start with 0 work done where angle is 90. A very important example for this. When theta is 90, this I told you, when you come back to your original position, then displacement is 0. Theta is 90, for example, important example is centripetal force. Centripetal force always does 0 work because body is moving in a circle. So this is displacement along the tangent and centripetal force is always along the radius. The angle between them is 90. So please remember, centripetal force will always, every case, centripetal force निकम्मी है, काम नहीं करेगी, निकम्मी है वो, work done 0 है उसका, right? This is one example. Second example is, if a person is moving, if a person with a load on his head or a load in his hand and is moving in horizontal direction, then the work done by gravitational force. Now what is gravitational force? That is the weight. Weight is gravitational force, that is mg. Force of gravity is called weight. Now always weight is perpendicularly downwards, and if you are moving along the horizontal, then theta is 90. Again work done is 0 if against, work done is 0 by the gravitational force, or work done is 0 against the gravitational force. In both cases work done is 0. But if I say this person is moving along the horizontal and friction is acting backwards. Now what is the work done by friction? Now you look at this arrow and this arrow. The angle is 180. For the same example, if they ask you work done against friction, then that will be negative work done. In the same case, right? In this case only, if they say what is the work done by the muscular force of the man is applying muscular force in the forward direction, then the work done is positive. For the same example, work done by the muscular force is positive, work done by friction is negative, work done by gravity or against gravity is 0. All three examples you should understand, right? Another example is if a body is falling down. If a body is falling down, you know what? The force of gravity is downwards and the body is falling down means displacement is also downwards. Then the work done is positive. But if the body is moving upwards, thrown up, then displacement is upward. Work done by gravitational force or by weight, then this angle is 180. Then the work done is negative. If they ask you body is thrown up, what is the work done by gravity? That is obtuse angle or it is straight angle 180. Work done is negative. But if they ask you what is the work done by your muscular force, then you are applying force upwards. Then your work done is positive. Theta is 0. Between your muscular force and displacement, theta is 0. But when the body is moving up, gravity is doing what? It's pulling the shirt backwards. So it is doing negative work. So you should understand all these examples for positive, negative, 0. Acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle or straight angle. Here 0 angle also. Right?